Good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine and taking care of yourself also and your family also. Okay, now today we are going to start the Thief's Story chapter from Supplementary Reader, The Thief's Story. And I am reading the summary. Please listen it very carefully, minimum 3 times, as I will send you the supplementary document also, and in that you will get the questions and answers. Okay, and now I am going to read the summary. Now see, Anil was a young writer. Here the character of Anil is described. Anil was a young writer. He was living his life very carelessly. He was writing for magazines and earning the money to run his life. Are you getting my point? He was a careless young writer. Anil was a careless young writer and he was writing for magazines and earning money to run his livelihood. One day Anil was watching the wrestling match. Hari best knew how to make unknown person a friend. Hari is another character of this story and he best knew how to make unknown person a friend. You also have been seen some people, they are very familiar with unknown persons also. Sometimes it is risky to you, but as you saw or as you compare, some people became each other's friend very easily, and it is it is because they are not complicated people, they are very straight go people. So might be possible due to their friendly and cooperative nature, they have so many friends. Hari was like that. Hari was very eager to make friends nicely or easily. He can make his friendship with unknown person very easily. He used an old formula to flatter the person. Hari stayed with Anil. They both were stayed with each other. He also taught him how to cook tasty food. And Anil promised him that he would teach him how to write and add numbers. Are you getting my point? Anil promised him that he would teach him how to add and how to write numbers. He also taught him how to cook tasty food. Daily Hari Singh was going to buy daily needs and had profit of 1 rupee daily. What was Hari doing? Hari daily going to buy daily needs, daily routine things, and had profit of 1 rupee daily. Anil knew it, but he did not mind it. अनिल को पता था कि हरी कहीं ना कहीं 1 रुपये का गड़बड़ पजलिंग कर रहा है, but he did not mind it. He said, okay, let it be. Okay, next. But both were living together happily. है ना? This was a very small thing. They never mind with each other. They were teaching each other so many things. And now Hari and Anil was living very happily with each other. 1 month passed. Hari Singh did not perform his business. Okay. 1 month passed. Hari Singh did not perform his business. It means his business was about to dump. One day he saw Anil had bought a bundle of notes. As Hari was in a bad condition, he was lost his business, and one day he saw Anil had bought a bundle of notes. He saw him to put them under the mattress. Hari Singh saw that Anil has put the bundle of notes under the mattress. Next, as Hari saw the bundle of notes, his evil spirit awakened in his mind. Now see the situation. Sometimes as you all are grown up children, grown up students, and you also might be have listened or have experienced this type of story कि he become greedy now. Are you getting my point? है ना, Hari becomes somewhere greedy because issue of the money, and without money human being most of the time can't perform nicely, or everywhere human being needs money. So as Anil came with bundle of notes and he put them under the mattress, as Hari saw the bundle of notes, his evil spirit awaken. It means जो इंसान जग जाता है ना, इंसान के अंदर का जो एविल होता है उसका जग जाना, इट मीन्स बैड थॉट्स केम in his mind, and he decided to rob Anil that night. Are you getting my point? He decided to rob Anil that night. After taking dinner, Anil slept peacefully. After taking dinner, Anil slept peacefully. And Hari could not sleep. But Hari was not able to sleep. Okay. And what happened next? He crept to the bed and slipped his hand under the mattress. What Hari had done? He crept to the bed and slipped his hand under the mattress. He found the notes and ran away on the road. Definitely, Hari had seen where Anil has kept his money or bundle of notes. So he found that bundle and he ran away on the road. Hari Singh made up his mind that he would directly go to railway station. Are you getting? After this theft, Hari Singh made his mind that he would directly go to railway station and would catch the Lucknow Express. Okay, and he should go directly to the railway station and would catch Lucknow Express. He thought Anil would not catch him if he ran away from the city. He was thinking in his mind, Anil was not able to catch him if he ran away out of the city or from the city. Hari Singh reached the railway station. Lucknow Express was about to go, but he reached at the railway station and Lucknow Express was about to go. Suddenly the good spirit called him. The inner voice told him not to betray the faith of Anil. Now see, here is the controversy, climax is there. है ना? What happened? Suddenly the good spirit called him, and that what will you say, that अंदर की आवाज़, अंदर के आत्मा की आवाज़, है ना? And what that spirit told him? Not to betray. Betray, it means not to betray, not to destroy the faith of Anil. The train was moving, but Hari did not dare to catch it. He was remembering the innocent face of Anil. When Hari Singh thought that what would Anil think about him, Anil would not worry about the money, but he might feel bad. A man had broken his faith. Now see what happened. As he listened to his inner voice, he was remembering the innocent face of Anil. When Hari Singh thought that what would Anil think about him, when Anil would not worry about the money, but he might be feel bad a man had broken his faith. Might be Anil will earn that money again. Might be Anil will not lost his temper. But the main thing is that might be Anil will thought about me where I had gone without telling him. Okay, we will stop here. I will also send you questions and answers of this chapter. You may start writing within 2 or 3 days and take care of you. Okay.